You take me there, you let me
Hey, my name's Liam. I'm a HVAC tech, and we're going to mount this one on the wall, put a little bit of pipe cover on, and yeah.
So what's the verdict?
So it's got a leak, and be cheaper just to replace it and try and fix it.
Good. Okay, do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you do get your pay.
Yeah. So we're all done here.
Yeah.
This is your remote. Turn it on. You've got that 16 in cooling, and this is your warranty here.
Much appreciated.
All good.
You know how hard those work? So how do people get in contact with you?
I don't really even have a card, to be honest. It's just through high pages at the moment.
What about your phone number? Is it too hard?
Yeah, 0426 100 872.